You want to know how you can actually create a YouTube short for absolutely free? Then you need to watch this video right now. Now you just need to come onto this particular platform right here called the Fliki.ai. This is an amazing AI tool that you can just simply utilize for creating cool and amazing video content. It is quite easy, as you can turn text into videos, you can turn ideas, prompts, descriptions, blog posts, Twitter tweets, and a lot more cool stuff into a video right now with the platform. As you can take note of this, that you can transform your ideas into stunning videos with our AI generator. As you can see, the claim is easy to use. The text to video editing featuring like voiceovers right now, dynamic AI video clips, and a wide range of AI powered features. Now you can sign up for free right now, no credit card details is required, but before signing out you need to know what the features of this particular platform is all about. As you can see, with the platform you could easily convert text to video, ideas to videos, text to speech, blog to video, tweet to video, product to video, templates. You can check out AI voices, you can check out avatars, voice cloning, PowerPoint to video, photo to video, and also the translator. Right now that is absolutely quite cool. You can also check out the use cases right now. This is actually being used by content creators on various platforms out there, including YouTube, videos, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, podcasts, and audiobooks. Now you could also utilize this for business and corporate purposes, marketing and social media, education and e-learning, e-commerce, localization, and translation. Now you could also come onto this section to check out the pricing structure of the AI tool. By clicking on pricing, you'll be brought to this page and you can see much more details about the pricing structure and capability of the AI tool, that you can gain access to a free account, and here are actually the features of the free account. The limitation to this is that you only get about 5 minutes of credits per month to generate content. Now you could also check out the standard plan and the premium plan, and also the features of each plan. You can keep on scrolling through and you can see much more details right here and the comparison between each plan, and that will actually enable you in knowing how cool the AI tool actually is. Now to sign up, you just need to click on sign up right here and sign up for absolutely free, utilizing your email address. I'm actually signed up, and you can actually do see that you'll be brought to a page similar to this. But take note that guys, you will not actually be seeing any of these options right here, because these are videos I created previously. To create yours, click on new file, and you want to just simply give your file a name. Maybe I can actually put in something like shorts, and if I do select that, select the language, the dialect, the aspect ratio, make sure that this is on 9:16. You could also share or start with actually script. Maybe you want to convert your script into videos, your ideas, your PowerPoint file, your blog post, Twitter tweets, or product into videos. You can do just that right here. And guys, once you're actually done editing all these guys, you want to click on submit. After clicking on submit, you'll be taken to a blank page where you just need to go on to inserting your script that you want to convert to video. And to get scripts guys, you can actually leverage this AI tool called ChatGPT to help you do that. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to write a very short article or stuff on family, and you can see that ChatGPT came up with a very cool answer. It says title family bonds, and you can see what ChatGPT actually wrote up right here. I can just simply copy that text, head on to Fliki AI right now, and just simply going to paste in the script right here. Fliki AI is actually going to go on to helping me split that clip. It's going to split the script into about various scenes, and for each scene a video will actually be added to that scene. Now take note of the first scene right here, which is titled family bonds. You can actually go and checking out other scenes right now. As you can see, this scene is actually a different kind right here, where you can actually see the video available for this scene. You can also see much more details about the scene. You can just simply check out other details of every other scene. You could go on to changing the scene image or video if you don't want that by selecting the video right now in this section. You can see much more videos you could select from. That you can actually search for a specific kind of video and also select from that section. You could upload from your device. You could actually go on to utilizing the generate option to generate and check out favorites and just simply create something quite cool. Now once you are actually done with all these guys, you also need to take note of the background music that you could easily go on to add in. If you click on background audio, you can choose a file and actually go on to in your background photo right now. Now if you actually, on your background music right now, if you actually do add something quite cool from your device also, or your favorite section, you can then go on to maybe checking out the voice style that was used for each scene. Now if you do select the scene, you can see the voice right here is on Christopher. If you do go to selecting that, you can just simply change the voice to any voice that is actually suitable and available to you right now. You can see that there are some actually cool and amazing filters you could utilize in learning how to, or in creating a very cool video content on this particular platform. But guys, once you're actually done with all this, you also need to take note, guys, that for each scene you can actually go into editing the scene by clicking on more. As you can apply templates, you can copy the scene, utilize custom duration and rename the scene right now, or that particular scene, edit that to your preference. Once you're done, guys, you can check out this more section, of which you can actually see much more details about this particular video right now, or on the platform. As you can change the pronunciation map, you could translate, you can actually do the editor layout right now. You could also come onto the settings section, and guys, like I said, since we intend on creating a YouTube short, make sure that the settings is actually on the aspect ratio of 9:16, as that is actually the best aspect ratio you could actually utilize for YouTube short right there. Now once you've actually inserted that, you can click on download and download that particular video you just simply generated utilizing a very cool platform right now, or this platform called the Fliki AI. So once you click on download, you can then go on to downloading by selecting the resolution you want, the format, and click on start export. The video will be exported on your device, but make sure, guys, that the video is actually less than a minute long right now. You could just simply go on to editing that yourself, head on to any YouTube account that you want to just simply utilize and go on to uploading that particular video on YouTube, and you can actually still go on to getting some cool and amazing video content right now and video views. So just simply go on to uploading such kinds of videos, and you do go on to making some cool cash. As you can see, in a matter of some minutes, we were able to just simply generate a very cool and amazing video right now, just by utilizing the platform called Fliki AI. Now, I advise you just simply leverage the platform, generate more cool and amazing content every day, and go on to uploading on YouTube right now. And with that, guys, sometime you can actually get on to getting monetized and also make some cool cash on YouTube. So that's it for now. I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.